the latest collection of beautiful indoor patio design ideas. Step into a world of elegance and comfort with our latest collection of beautiful indoor patio design ideas. Transform your indoor space into a cozy retreat with these inspiring and creative designs that blend the beauty of nature with the comfort of your home. From lush greenery to stylish furniture, discover endless possibilities to enhance your indoor patio. In this video, we showcase the most exquisite indoor patio designs that will elevate your home decor to a whole new level. Explore the wonders of indoor gardening and learn how to create a serene oasis right in your living room. Get inspired by the latest trends in patio furniture, from chic lounge sets to elegant dining arrangements. Discover innovative decor ideas to add a touch of personality and charm to your indoor patio space. Maximize natural light and create a refreshing ambience with clever lighting solutions. Incorporate stylish mirrors and accessories to enhance the visual appeal of your indoor patio. Learn how to choose the perfect plants and greenery that thrive indoors, bringing life and vitality to your space. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious sunroom, our curated collection of indoor patio designs caters to every taste and preference. Join us on this visual journey and let your imagination run wild with the endless possibilities of indoor patio design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home decor ideas. Let's bring the beauty of the outdoors inside and create a tranquil sanctuary you'll never want to leave. Get ready to transform your indoor space with the magic of our latest indoor patio design ideas.